Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. Just another really quick update on Verasity here today. As we can see, cleanly getting that nice little breakout now of that resistance we've been stuck under for such a long time. Pretty clear, you can see on the daily time frame here, obviously the previous bull market that we saw massive gains for Verasity. Obviously we made our bull market top here at around, what is this, 8.5 cents, almost 9 cents. Since then, pretty much, you know, for a straight, what is this, from the, what we got, November 2021 down to the start of this year, basically a massive bear market for Verasity, falling to 1/5 of a cent. Absolutely crazy drop. Then obviously at the start of the year, a very nice renaissance for a lot of cryptos. You can see the bear market resistance here getting cleanly smashed at this level at around 1/2 cent ish, yeah, 1/4 of a cent, 1/2 cent here. Coming up into this area here, we got up to around 1 cent, didn't we? 1.1 cents, got stuck under that very key psychological resistance. A nice 5x there, by the way, from this low to this level here. And then we make a new resistance, don't we? You can see here, this is a new resistance now. We came down, back up, tested it again, got rejected, and we started forming this big descending wedge that a lot of altcoins did make. And then obviously with the very bullish news recently of the tokenomics for Verasity getting absolutely fixed, listening to the community, everyone's getting super bullish, and you know, Verasity was waiting for a little catalyst for a breakout, wasn't it? And you can see here now, getting that very clean and clear breakout of this descending wedge area here. Pretty much a textbook move, and I've been calling for this for a long while now. Basically, we're looking for that 1, 2, 3 continuation, and getting, basically, as you can see here, I've already had this marked out, continuation for the next, I would say, technical target up here at the 618 Fibonacci, which is at 2 cents, currently around at, what is it, 3.5, 3 or 4x from the current price. After this nice little breakout here, it would be around a 5x from the start of the move, just like we saw here. 5x, consolidate, 5x again, and I do think that is probably the next technical target for me. Also very interesting, we've got this parallel channel thing going on as well, which a lot of people didn't seem to think was actually a thing, but it looks like it's actually playing out really lovely right now. Very nicely indeed. Let me just line this up so people don't say that I am cheating with my lines. Obviously I'm using the, is this on auto? Might just have to take this off auto for a minute so you can see what I'm talking about. But you can see quite clearly here. Let me put this on the weekly time frame actually, and then you can see a little bit better. Essentially, we've got this channel that we're heading up in, haven't we? And you can see here, I mean, you could argue maybe it's more like this, if you're not counting the wicks, or if you are counting the wicks. Either way, we've got a channel that looks something like this, haven't we? And you would say, realistically, looking like it's playing out absolutely lovely right now. Test. You form your channel after these, haven't you? You come down, you test it, you bounce, you test it, and now we're bouncing again in this area. And this would give it an extra level of coherence and credence potentially for coming up. Going into, you can see here, 2024 and 2025, we could be looking at some top targets if we continue and test the top of this channel here up towards that $1 level, which is what everyone's looking for. So exciting times ahead, thinking that things are looking very nice right now for Verasity. You can see in the local area, like basically a week of non-stop upwards action, a little bit of retracement today on the hourly. You can see basically just doing this, having a little bit of a back test, consolidate. Maybe we'll come back down towards this level here and continue, who knows. But for now, looking like we are on track, and in the macro I think we're going to do extremely well. So that's it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, get involved in the content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.